Hi, I'm Scott, Development Chef at Panasonic. And in this video, I'm going to show to you how we can do a great alternative to a traditional toasted sandwich. The dish that we're going to be doing is a Parma ham and Gouda cheese tostada. First off, what we do is take our sliced white bread, cut the crusts off, take a rolling pin and just roll this as thinly as possible. To give it a little bit more intense flavour, we're just going to drizzle a little bit of white truffle oil on top, and then we lay our Parma ham and a piece of Gouda cheese just on top. Take our piece of bread and then just roll this as tightly as possible. The cook program that we're going to use for the oven is going to be P6 for the microwave and grill at 80%. The cook time is going to be 60 seconds. Once we take the tostada out of the oven, we can see that it's perfectly golden brown thanks to the grill technology. And if we cut into it, we can see that the cheese has a beautiful ooze to it thanks to the inverted technology inside the oven.